This is my special recipe for real crab cake burgers. It's got a really nice golden crust on the outside. Let's make it. I'd like to share my special way of making real crab cake burgers. First of all, we're going to take 1 beaten egg into a bowl, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, quarter teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Try and say that twice. A tablespoon of chopped red pepper, and I've got some jalapeno, and it calls for 2 teaspoons, but I put a tablespoon in because I like it. Some salt, some pepper, and some baking powder. In we go. I'm just gonna mix this up a little bit. I've got a 1/4 cup of extra old cheese, and now I'm gonna fold in 8 ounces of real crab meat. These are like big 4-ounce burgers. This is delicious. See how that's incorporated? Okay, so my special way of doing this is I'm into the burger press here. And you take a little piece of wax paper, put it on the bottom, and you put some crushed pork rinds in the bottom like this, just in the bottom. And if you don't have a burger press, you can make your crab cakes and then just press it into that. That would be fine too. So I'm gonna split this down the center like that for half and half. In it goes. Most of it went in. And then I'm going to put a little bit more pork rind on the top like that. It's finely crushed. That's what makes it really crispy. I'm going to add another piece of wax paper or parchment's fine. And then I'm just going to push this down like this. Just like that. Then you pop it out. And now you've got a really nice crab cake burger. I'll make up the other one. Okay, I've got my pan preheated to a medium heat, and I'm going to be cooking with avocado oil today. I'm gonna probably put about a good tablespoon in there. And now we've got these perfectly formed burgers. We just peel off the outside like this. Okay, so that's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go in for the flip now. And we just wanna go till it's a nice golden brown. That looks good. And this one here, look at that. That looks really good. That's nice and golden brown. And we're gonna let it go for another 5 minutes. These firmed up really nicely. A golden brown crust, and that's due to the fine pork rinds on the outside fried in the oil. I'm going to lift this out, and what we want to do is we want to firm it up. I'm going to put this on the rack like this, and we want it to set. I'd let it set for like a good 5 minutes. Look at that, doesn't that look good? And I'd serve this with a spicy aioli, which would be mayonnaise, a crushed garlic, and a little bit of cayenne pepper, and some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Mix it all up, and you put it in the fridge for probably about 2 hours to let the flavors melt. I'll put the recipe for aioli in the notes below, along with this. Thanks for watching.